friends, I'm back with another unboxing from a house of books. I was so excited to get this package in the mail that I cleared away my desk so I could unbox this. Now, as I struggle to open the box like usual, let me explain to you a little bit more about House of Books. It's a monthly subscription kit full of wonderful ephemera. Usually like 99% of it is real. Sometimes they will also include some of their stickers or printed materials that they make from vintage ephemera. So this is the large kit. It always comes in this really cute fabric pouch. I especially love this month's pouch. The teal and the little fringes on the edge are so much fun. There are also several other options, small, medium, large, and a new mini kit. So there's tons of price points and like package options to fit whatever you need for your art and crafty needs. So last month, Amber at House of Books started introducing little prompts that come with your kits, and there's 3 little challenges or prompts that come with them for you to kind of use throughout the month. I just realized that I forgot to post my December unboxing with the first set of those prompts, so I will also load that to my YouTube channel really soon so you can see the consistency, I guess, of the really cool items that come in the monthly boxes. This month I received a little package of different fabrics, a full book here. This is a really nice size book and the binding is really tight. I think I'm going to use this for a little quick kind of journal sketchbook. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm really excited to kind of explore this book for a journal this year. Next we received a little small package of book binding. I guess scraps is what they're called. I was so excited to receive those again this month because I have been using them in my projects, and if I'll remember, I'll add my latest one down below or up in the iCard. I've really enjoyed them for texture in my journal projects. These papers look like there's some vintage reproductions of some things that a House of Books found and provided for us. Their copies are really great and they're like a heavier weight, so I'm excited to use those in some projects as well. Next, I'm just going to page through the papers here. Oh, and I found another book cover. I actually received some bookbinding supplies for Christmas, so I'm looking forward to start binding my own journals with some of these amazing covers I've been receiving. Back to all the papers here. I'm just going to quickly page through these and talk about them. I'm often asked, Nicole, do you use all these papers? How do you use all these papers? After several months of this kit, are they not adding up? Yes, they're adding up, but I am using them. I found that because I receive a kit each month, I'm like more freely using papers. I used to use a purchased palette from the store, and I do use those once in a while because of the surface of them is glossy and it's easier to mix the paint on. But I've also been using these pages as my palettes because it's so much fun to mix paint on them and then use them in future projects with however randomly that paint happens on them. I've also been doing a lot more printing on them with stencils and like mark-off sheets. When I have too much paint on my paintbrush, I'll make little mark-making sheets with them, so I do use them a lot every month. I also want to let you know that Amber and her team do take requests. So I kind of requested that I not receive a lot of colored printed material like glossy magazine pages and things that are colored because I really use way more black and white materials in my mark making and in my journals. So if you see some of the other House of Books unboxings, you'll notice that they receive different items too. And for me specifically, I'm not receiving a lot of the colored materials. I love that they're happy to accommodate those requests, and I am so enjoy the little surprises like this fun little postcard that's on a page that I receive each month. Some of the drawings and graphics and photos and things are just really unique and impossible kind of to curate on your own without buying a ton of books and then just using 5 or 6 pages to get those graphics in them. It's great to have these curated packages come to my doorstep every month, or in my case, my P.O. box. So these little chunks of pages, as I like to call them, are the ones that I keep down in my Rascog cart that I constantly grab from my palettes. So those are going to go right into my cart to use as I'm running kind of low on my paper palettes. And then this last envelope is my favorite one to unbox. I usually save it for the end, or if I can't wait, I open it first. This is where we receive really unique one-of-a-kind items. This month we received a bunch of black and white photos I'm loving some of these photos. The ladies there, the couple on the bridge, this little couple, they're going to be so much fun to use in my daily journaling. I also like to look at the back of photos to see if they say the names of the people or any fun information. We also received this amazing handwritten letter sheet. I cannot believe somebody calligraphied all of that. And then a few pages of these little light blue receipts. These are so unique and fun as well, and I love that we received those, along with some heavier cardboard photos here. Again, I'm going to flip those over and look at the backs because I like to see their names or if there's any other information, or just really observe the unique handwriting. So this is another amazing month from a house of books. If you'd like to subscribe to the kit, I'll have more information in the description box below, along with a coupon code for 5% off your first kit subscription, or you can use it for the a la carte items. And Amber is always dropping new unique ledgers, books, stickers, and other fun ephemera in their a la carte section, and you can use that coupon code for that as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about this kit or how I use the items, drop them below. I'd love to help answer them. Have a wonderful day.